Elvis Presley. The name alone conjures images of a rock and roll icon. His music, his moves, his charisma captivated the world. But behind every great star, there's often a mastermind, a guiding force. For Elvis, that figure was Colonel Tom Parker. Parker was a shrewd businessman with a knack for promotion. He saw something special in the young Elvis, something that transcended music. He saw a phenomenon waiting to explode, and he knew just how to make it happen. Parker's role went far beyond that of a typical manager. He molded Elvis's image, dictated his career moves, and ultimately shaped the trajectory of his life. This is the story of the man behind the king, the untold story of Colonel Tom Parker. Born Andreas Cornelis van Kuijk in the Netherlands, Parker's early life was shrouded in mystery. He entered the United States illegally and adopted the identity of Colonel Tom Parker, a title he fabricated. Despite his lack of military background, the title stuck, becoming as much a part of his persona as his ever-present cigar. Parker's early career involved promoting country music acts. He had a keen understanding of showmanship and audience appeal. He knew how to create buzz, generate excitement, and ultimately sell tickets. These skills would prove invaluable when he crossed paths with a young singer from Mississippi.
Parker was a natural showman, always the larger-than-life character. He was known for his flamboyant personality and his unwavering belief in Elvis's potential. He was a master manipulator, some would say, but he was also undeniably effective.
In 1955, Elvis Presley was a rising star, a local sensation making waves in the South. He had raw talent and undeniable charisma, but he lacked direction. Enter Colonel Tom Parker. Parker saw in Elvis a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. He recognized Elvis's raw talent and saw the potential for superstardom. Parker became Elvis's manager in 1956, marking the beginning of a tumultuous and ultimately defining partnership. Parker negotiated Elvis's groundbreaking deal with RCA Victor, propelling him onto the national stage. He understood the power of mass media and utilized television appearances, radio play, and strategic marketing to make Elvis a household name.
Parker's influence was immediate and profound. He transformed Elvis from a regional act into a national sensation, a true icon of American culture.
Section 4, Shaping a Star.
Parker's vision for Elvis extended beyond music. He orchestrated Elvis's foray into Hollywood, securing him roles in a string of successful films. Movies like Love Me Tender and Jailhouse Rock solidified Elvis's status as a cultural icon, transcending the world of music. Parker understood the importance of merchandise and branding. Elvis's image adorned everything from lunchboxes to posters, further solidifying his presence in popular culture. He was a marketing genius, recognizing the power of Elvis's brand before the concept even existed.
While Parker's business acumen was undeniable, his control over Elvis's career drew criticism. He famously rejected lucrative offers for Elvis to tour internationally, citing logistical concerns and personal fears. This decision, while controversial, underlined Parker's absolute control over Elvis's career.
Parker's decisions, though often questioned, yielded undeniable success. Elvis became a global phenomenon, his music topping charts and his films breaking box office records.
Section 5, The Price of Success.
As Elvis's fame skyrocketed, so too did the pressures and demands of his career. Parker's relentless scheduling took a toll. The latter part of Elvis's career was marked by a decline in his health and a growing dependence on prescription drugs.
Parker's handling of Elvis's finances also drew criticism. He took an unprecedented 50% cut of Elvis's earnings. This arrangement fueled accusations of exploitation. Section 6, A Complicated Legacy.
Colonel Tom Parker's legacy is complex and multifaceted. He was a brilliant businessman, a marketing genius who made Elvis Presley a global superstar. However, Parker's legacy is also intertwined with controversy. His tight control over Elvis's career and questionable financial dealings tarnished his reputation.
Despite criticisms, Parker's impact on music history is undeniable. He shaped the career of one of the most iconic figures in popular culture.